Mastering English Greetings and Farewells. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's episode, we will focus on an essential aspect of conversational English, using appropriate greetings and farewells. By mastering this skill, you'll be able to engage in polite and friendly conversations with native English speakers. So, let's dive in. Greetings play a crucial role in establishing a positive connection with others. Here are some common greetings you can use in various situations. 1. Good morning. Use this greeting to greet someone in the morning, typically before noon. 2. Good afternoon. Use this greeting to greet someone in the afternoon, typically from noon to around 6 p.m. 3. Good evening. Use this greeting to greet someone in the evening, typically after 6 p.m. 4. Hello. This is a general and versatile greeting suitable for any time of the day. 5. Hi. Similar to hello, this is a casual and informal greeting. Remember to accompany your greeting with a friendly smile and appropriate body language to make a positive first impression. When it's time to part ways in a formal setting, it's important to use appropriate farewells. Here are a few examples. 1. Goodbye. This is a common and widely recognized farewell. 2. Farewell. Slightly more formal than goodbye. This farewell is often used in formal or poetic contexts. 3. Take care. This phrase expresses your concern for the other person's well-being and is suitable for a professional setting. 4. Have a nice day, evening. Use this farewell to wish someone well as they continue with their day or evening. Remember to use a polite tone and maintain eye contact when bidding farewell in a formal setting. In less formal or casual situations, you can use the following farewells. 1. See you later. This is a friendly and commonly used farewell when you expect to see the person again soon. 2. Bye. A short and casual farewell commonly used among friends and acquaintances. 3. Take it easy. Use this phrase to bid farewell casually and encourage the person to relax and not stress too much. 4. Catch you later. This phrase is often used when you plan to meet or talk with the person again at a later time. Remember to adjust your tone and body language to match the informality of the situation when using these farewells. That concludes our lesson on using appropriate greetings and farewells in English. By mastering these expressions, you'll be well equipped to engage in polite and friendly conversations with native English speakers. Practice using these greetings and farewells in different scenarios, and soon enough, they will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in improving your conversational English skills. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. See you next time. Goodbye, take care, and have a fantastic day.